my little reader. It is lesson 30B. Another review lesson coming at you right now. Are you ready? Here we go. I can read. And what do we do on this page? Tap it, map it, graph it, write it. So let's tap the sounds here. W, E, G. Okay? And now get your puppet. And it's W, E, G. Now that you're finished popping, let's graph it. W, E, G. Get your objects one more time. W, E, G. Time to graph it. So here we map it. Map it and now graph it. Write the letters now. So W, E, G. And let's read. W, E, G. W, E, G. Wig. W, E, G. Wig. And here we write it. W, E, G. Read it. Wig. Let's try the next one. What's the sound? Press U, S. Time to tap it with our puppet. U, S. Now map it. Get your objects. Y at the beginning, E in the middle, S at the end. And let's graph it now. Write. Time to write. The letter that makes the Y sound, E, and then S. Now write it. Y, S. And we read U, S, yes. Let's tap it. V, E, T. Your turn. Let's pop it. V, E, T. There you go. And we're now going to graph it. Write the letters. V, E, T. Read it. V, E, T. Vet. Write it. V, E, T. Read it. V, E, T. Vet. Now you're going to work with mommy and daddy to do these three at the bottom. Okay? You've got this. Way to go, my little reader. Keep going. I'm proud of you. Bye, and I'll see you in the next lesson.